Personal finance is an essential aspect of everyone's life, encompassing how we manage our money, save for the future, invest wisely, and make financial decisions. While many believe that personal finance is primarily about acquiring the right knowledge, a growing body of evidence suggests that it's actually 80% behavior and only 20% head knowledge. In today's video, we'll explore why behavior plays such a critical role in personal finance and how understanding this principle can lead you to financial success. You're watching Genesis on Money, the channel where we navigate the complex world of personal finance and wealth creation. First, let's start by understanding the 80-20 rule in personal finance. The 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto Principle, states that roughly 80% of outcomes result from 20% of causes. When applied to personal finance, this principle suggests that 80% of your financial success is determined by your financial behavior, while only 20% is determined by your knowledge of financial concepts. But why is this so? 1. Behavior is the key to financial success. You see, financial success isn't solely about knowing the intricacies of budgeting, investing, or tax strategies. It's about consistently applying that knowledge in your daily life. People can have access to the same financial knowledge, yet their financial situations can vary significantly due to their financial behavior. For example, someone who understands the importance of budgeting but consistently overspends will struggle financially, while another person who follows a budget diligently will likely achieve better financial stability. The behavior of sticking to a budget makes the difference, not just the knowledge of how to create one. By the way, you can watch my past video on budgeting by clicking the link in the description below or clicking the video link that will be directly at the end of the one you're watching now. 2. Emotions play a crucial role. Emotions are a significant driver of financial behavior. As a result, fear, greed, and impulse can lead individuals to make poor financial decisions, even when they possess the knowledge to make better choices. For instance, investors who panic and sell during market downturns often miss out on long-term gains, despite knowing the importance of staying invested. This brings us to the third reason why only 80% of your financial success is determined by your financial behavior, with only 20% of it being determined by your knowledge of financial concepts. And that is that. Consistency trumps expertise. In personal finance, consistency often outweighs expertise. As a matter of fact, you don't need to be a financial guru to achieve financial success. As an example, a person with basic financial knowledge who consistently saves and invests a portion of their income will likely fare better in the long run than someone with in-depth financial knowledge but inconsistent or reckless behavior. Before we wrap up this video, let me quickly show you how you can change your financial behavior. Let me make one thing clear: recognizing the importance of behavior in personal finance is the first step toward financial well-being. So, here are some strategies to help you improve your financial behavior. 1. Set clear financial goals. Establishing specific, measurable, and achievable financial goals can help provide motivation and direction for your financial behavior. 2. Create a budget. Develop a realistic budget that aligns with your goals and always track your spending to ensure you stick to it. 3. Automate savings and investments. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts ensures that you consistently save and invest without relying solely on willpower. 4. Control your emotions. Be aware of how emotions can influence your financial decisions and practice mindfulness to be able to make more rational choices. Finally, 5. Educate yourself continuously. While behavior is crucial, knowledge still matters. So, you must continue to educate yourself about personal finance to be able to keep making informed decisions. Remember, personal finance is not just about financial knowledge, it's primarily about financial behavior. Understanding the 80-20 rule in personal finance can help you focus on improving your financial habits, which ultimately leads to greater financial success. And by taking control of your behavior and emotions and consistently making prudent financial choices, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a more stable and prosperous future. Thank you for watching till the very end. You can just type behavior in the comments for us to know the true money smarts who always enjoying learning from Genesis on money. And if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.